In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Zendesk. This is a helpful feature that allows you to keep both your team and your customers in the loop by copying them on ticket communications. Without further ado, let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you make the most out of this feature. First things first, you need to access the Admin Center in your Zendesk account. Once you're there, you need to navigate your way to the section labeled Objects and Rules. This section is crucial as it contains all the settings relevant to ticket configurations. Under this area, you'll find the Tickets option, and it's there where we're going to focus our attention under the Ticket settings. Once you've reached the Ticket settings, it's time to enable CCs. This stands for Carbon Copy, a feature that allows additional recipients to receive correspondence for a particular ticket. Alongside CCs, there is an option for followers, which might be beneficial for team members who need to stay informed without being directly involved. To enable these options, look for the section labeled CCs and Followers, and check the box that says Enable CCs. If having followers is also beneficial to your workflow, you might want to consider enabling this feature as well. Now, moving on to optional configurations that can enhance your CC functionality to better fit your needs. Here, you can set a block list, which is an excellent tool for preventing certain email addresses from being added as CCs. This can be particularly useful if you know of specific addresses that you don't want to inadvertently be copied on tickets due to privacy concerns or company policies. Additionally, there's an option to configure permissions for Light Agent CC usage. Light agents in Zendesk are typically team members who might need visibility over tickets, but don't require full access to ticket functionalities. Configuring permissions for them ensures that their involvement is both secure and efficient, perfectly tailored to your team's operations. Finally, consider whether you want to allow end users, essentially your customers, to add CCs directly through Help Center forms. This capability can be a significant convenience for involving others in ticket discussions, enhancing communication and resolution speed. Once you've decided on and set these configurations, remember to hit Save. Saving your configurations is essential. Otherwise, all your changes will vanish, and you'd need to start again. By clicking Save, you confirm and activate all your setup choices, ensuring they will be applied to your ticket processes within Zendesk. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding CCs in Zendesk. It's an easy yet powerful way to improve communication and collaboration within your ticketing system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your Zendesk experience even more efficient and effective. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Happy ticket managing!